Hey friends, it's Brenda and I'm going to show you how to face paint this quick flower. You will need some pink and yellow, white, orange, light green, and dark green. I'm using a number 12 filbert brush and also a number 1 round brush, but you can also use a number 2 or 3. Plus, of course, a cup of water, and pause the video whenever you need to. Load up your filbert brush with some white and then dip the tip into your pink or any other color that you want to do. It could be purple or blue. And I'm going to push down and kind of slightly lift up a little bit before I get to the middle. And push and lift up. And if you notice, my petals aren't perfectly straight. They're a little bit on a curve, curving in. And it doesn't have to be perfect because flowers aren't always perfect. Then with that same filbert brush, swish it out. Load up your brush with a yellow, and I'm putting the edge in the orange. You can do the same, or you can start with some yellow and then follow it with orange, or just do one color if you'd like. And I'm pushing down and twirling it around. We're gonna do the same with the green. So if you don't have it split like that, you can just use one color at a time, or you can load up your green all the way with light green and then dip your edge into the dark green. And I'm pushing and twirling it in. So it is a push down, twirl it while I'm lifting up. Here I'm using the dark edge of my filbert brush to give the center of each leaf a vein. You can use your number 1 round brush for that too, but I like to save time and get it all in there at once. Next we're going to use the number 1 round brush, and I'm dipping it in my pink to give each petal a little bit of a vein in the middle. You don't have to do that, but it just adds a little extra touch. And then we're going to switch out that brush, load it up with your white, and if you want to, you can add some of these highlights. Lastly, I'm going to give it a little bit of pizzazz with some swirls. Swirls and curls are our go-to in face painting, so we do a lot of that to fill up space and to make things look more fancy. And some teardrops you push and pull in while you're lifting up. And some dots. So that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do all the things. You can also subscribe. That would be great. And leave a comment down below. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.